Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So this class we are going to see about encoding concept. Okay, it's very simple concept only. What's that means? Sometimes our data will be having the categorical value. Okay, categorical value means fixed value will be repeated. For example, I'm having a thousands of rows in a column place. Okay, my column name is place. In that place I'm having thousands of data. So see how the places will be occupied. Delhi may be repeated for more than a few times. Mumbai may be repeated for more than few times. Okay, and Ahmedabad, only fixed number of places will be repeated in that data, right? So in those kind of scenario, what we can do is we can assign each and every value with alternative number. Like Delhi will be allocated with 1, Mumbai may be allocated with 2, Ahmedabad maybe 3, Bangalore 4. So our model while learning the data, it will consider that numbers and it will learn. So while giving our input also, it will predict, oh, this is the Delhi, oh, this is the value. Likewise, it will predict the output. Okay. So this kind of converting our categorical values into numbers is called as encoding method. Okay. See, we will be having grade A plus, A, B plus. So what we can do, instead of A plus, we can allocate for 90 or 90 above. Instead of A, you can allocate 80 something, B plus some value, B some value. So based on this also, we can convert these values into a numerical value. Okay. So there are two types of categorical values are there. One is ordinal data, nominal data. Ordinal data means it will have some order, like A plus, B plus, some order it will be having. Okay, fixed order. But nominal data, it doesn't have any order. See the places, whether the cities are having any order, this city is the top, this city is the low, like was any order? No. So this will consider as the nominal data. Okay. So there are many encoding method or there. Encoding means it's just the conversion of the values like string data into a numerical part. Okay. One more example also we can consider. You may see in the gender column. Okay. In gender column, what happens? Male, female will be there. So what we can do, we can map all the male values into 1 and all the female values into 0. Okay. So those kind of thing also we can do. See, we are having these kind of column, index and animal. So what we can do, this one hot encoding is first method to encoding. Okay, how it will be encoded means each and every value it will separate column, and wherever column this is present, they are marked as 1. Wherever column it is not present, they are marked as 0. And this is one kind of encoding method. Okay, I will show you the code how it will be converted. That's all. Just see the screen. So see this dog or cat, sheep. So now all the columns has been converted into a numerical part. It can be passed to our algorithm model. Okay. So this kind of concept is available. And then label encoding or ordinal encoding. It will allocate the fixed size, like small is 1, medium is 2, large is 3. Likewise, inheriting order we will be doing. And dummy encoding means what it will do, it will itself get the dummy values. Okay. For example, what it will do, see, if there are three colors are repeated, so it is having color blue, color green, color red. Wherever it is having the color, first see first value is red, so red alone marked as 1. The second value was green, so green alone marked as 1. Next value is blue. Again the same process only. This get dummies value will consider like this, and once I completed everything, I will execute in Google Colab Notebook and I will show you. Okay, don't worry about this code. Okay, target encoding means what means? See, we are having these are the inputs and these are the values. Okay, so it will be considered as this is our original data. it will calculate the average of each grade. Okay, see how many a values are there. A is equal to 50, this a is equal to 97, a is equal to 80, a is equal to 68. So this a value 50 plus 97 plus 80 plus 68. So all the a values will be added divided by total number of a. There are 4 a's are there. So all the A grade values will be ordered and divided by 4 represents it will have a average. So that average will be replaced by A. So wherever A is there, that part that A average value will be replaced. Similarly for B, B only having two values. So these two values will get added divided by 2. So wherever the B is there, the average will be replaced. Similarly for C also. Okay, this is called a target encoding. And binary encoding represents it is also similar to that this part like target encoding sorry, ordinal encoding. Okay, so it will consider the city names Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. Okay, just a second. How many cities are there? Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. Okay, I hope so. Few more columns will be created, but here only. Okay, I will just execute this alone and I will let you know. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we are working on encoding concept means we need to import a library called category underscore encoders. Okay. As the short form CE. And we are dealing with the category spelling is right? Category underscore encoders. Yeah, it's right only. So we are dealing with the data, so we need to import the pandas library is mandatory. And then what we need to do, I'm creating a dummy data is equal to pd dot data frame of. If you want, you can use the original data also. Here, let me create a dictionary. In that dictionary, the column name going to be the key value and the portion going to be in list format like Delhi, Mumbai, Agra, Bangalore. Okay. So now what happens is encoder. I need to create a variable name and I need to apply the method. From this categorical encoding, I am applying one hot encoding concept. H capital, E also capital. Okay, one hot encoding. Here I need to specify calls equal to city. I'm going to consider the column name city and then let me print off the original data and then I need to transform it. Okay, after every time I converted into the encoder, I need to transform the data. So encoder this variable name dot fit underscore transform of data. Okay, now the data will be transformed. We can see the data underscore encoder. I hope so. We need to install it. Let me do one thing. Exclamation mark with install. Okay, it is installing. Okay, now it's working. Sorry, not encoding here, it's encoder. Okay, see, each and every city, there are 4 cities I have given. Wherever that city is located, that has been considered as the 1 and other value has been considered as 0. Okay, yeah, I hope so you can make a note of this program. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. I will execute and show you this. Okay. Okay. So the next part is ordinal encoding. This one just now I told you. What
I
it
just
will
had
do
one
is
line of
we
code
need to use
remaining. Can
the
I please?
ordinal encoder command. Okay. The same process. You need to import the pandas. You need to import the category encoders as the short form. And you need to create a simple data. In this data, we are having the ordinal value. Ordinal means continuous relation like small, medium, large, 1 to 3, so it will have some continuous relation, right? So this kind of part will be in this kind of data you need to apply the ordinal encoder concept. Okay, so we will be converting our data into a data format, data frame format, and create a variable for encoder. The same ce dot, instead of one hot encoding we need to give the ordinal encoder, and for which column we need to convert, calls is equal to the column name. Okay, this is very very important. And then we will be doing the fit transform process, right? Once we have allocated the ordinal encoder, the same process, if you print off the output means you will be getting the data like this. The first value will be considered with the value 1, next value with the 2, next value with the 3. So whenever this small is repeated, wherever the small is takes place, there always the 1 will be replaced. Wherever medium is takes place, there 2 will be replaced. Wherever largest takes place, 3 will be replaced. Okay. Yeah. I hope so you can directly execute this program.
Wait.
Okay. The next one is target encoding. This I already explained, right? So the same way you need to create a data frame, but here you want 2 columns. This class column, it should representation of this mark columns. Okay. Here you need to apply the target encoding. Columns equal to, just you need to mention the class column name alone. This is our main target encoding, because this only we are going to convert into numerical part. And then encoder is equal to fit transform of, here you need to mention both the columns. Okay, then only based on this marks column this class will be converted into encoding. So here data of this column name comma data of this column name. Okay, that's all. It will be converted into the average value format. The class will be converted into numerical format. Okay, yeah. Binary encoding. Actually, let me explain you this binary encoding. What it will do is, it will allocate the specific value. Okay, a binary value to it. Okay, for example, 001 represents its one binary value. 010 another binary value. 011 is another binary value. Okay, so each and every state it is allocating the binary value. Delhi, the binary value is this. Mumbai, the binary value is this, 010. For 8, the binary value is Agra, the binary value is this. Okay. So each and every value, the binary value will be allocated. Binary value is fixed term. It's a mathematical term. Okay. If you search for what is the binary value of 1, it will show some number. That number is this. Okay. If you search for binary value of 5, that number will be like this. Okay. So likewise, the binary value will be allocated. Yeah. Just a second. Actually, how the binary value is allocated means Delhi will be considered as 1. Mumbai will be considered as 2, Hyderabad 3, Chennai 4, Bangalore 5. Again Delhi means again 1. Again Hyderabad means again 3. Again Mumbai again 2. New Agra, then it will continue with 6. So each and every state name will be allocated with every place name will be allocated with one number. That number's binary value will be displayed. So for Delhi, the number is 1 means one binary value is 001. Okay. So wherever Delhi is occurring, there this 001 will be replaced. For Mumbai, binary value is 010. So wherever Mumbai is repeated, 010 will be repeated. Okay. This is the part, how it works. So other processes are almost similar. That creating the data, applying the encoder, we will be using binary encoder command. If you want, you can use return underscore df is equal to true, or else you can ignore this. Return is equal to true means it will just give the city part. Okay, city underscore 0, city underscore 1. Likewise, it will display. That's all. And then data encoded is equal to, you will transform the data and you will print the encoded data. Okay. Yeah, I hope so. You can make a note of this program now. If you have any doubts,